Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and when I did my first video on percentages to fractions, I promised that I would do something about some more awkward percentages involving decimals in particular. And so here we are today looking at this percentage, and I've written it here as a fraction. And if you look at my previous video, we were dealing with, say, a fraction of 12%. And I said to you, we'll simply put the 12 over 100. And that is a fraction, which you can simplify. Here we've got 12.5. And I've done one thing different. I've added a 0 to the 100 so that this can be written as a whole number, not 12.5 over 100. I can write it as 125 over 1,000, and that is the technique. Okay, so assuming that there's no difficulty with this, it's just something that you have to remember. The next thing is how do we or can we simplify this? Well, we can, because this ends in a 5. And that means that 5 goes into it, obviously, and we know that 5 goes into 1,000. So the next thing that we do is we figure out how many 5s there are in this, and there are 25. And how many 5s are there in 1,000? Well, 5 2s are 10, 5 20s are 100, 5 200s are 1,000. And look at this, we can break this down again because 5 goes into 25 5 times. How many times does 5 go into 200? Well, 5 goes into 24 times and into 240 times. My word, we can do this again. How many times does 5 go into 5? Once. How many times does 5 go into 40? 8. That's our final answer, 1/8. Right, let's have a look at another one. 9.75. Now, I've rewritten this as 975 over 10,000. We're going to go through the same process. We're going to figure out how many 5s go into 975, and the answer is 195. How many 5s go into 10,000? 5 2s are 10, 5 20s are 100, 5 200s are 1,000, 5 2000s are 10,000. How many 5s are there in 195? Let's see, 39. And how many 5s are there in 2,000? 5 4s are 20, 5 40s are 200, 5 400s are 2,000. Sorry, that's 400. Got carried away there with my zeros. I think this is the answer. I can't think of a number that, other than 1, that goes into 39 and 400. 13 goes into 39, 3 goes into 39. It doesn't go into 400. So this is our answer, 39 over 400. So 9.75% is 39 over 400. And you can check that on a calculator. You can divide 39 into 400, and you should get 0.0975, which you can then multiply by 100, and you should get this. Okay, one more. Now, 37.7%. So we're back to a denominator of 1,000. We've written this as 377. And what I've got over here is the factors, the list of factors of 377. 1 and 377. 13 is a factor, 29 is a factor, apparently. I did a bit of work on this beforehand. Now, none of these allow us to break this down. So the answer to what 37.7% is as a fraction is 377 over 1,000. It's not a prime number. I thought perhaps it might be, but it does have some factors. But none of those factors divide evenly into 1,000, so we have to leave that alone. And that's it. Thanks very much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I hope it advanced your understanding of fractions and lessened the fear. Thanks again for watching. Bye.